Let's explore website architecture. We will learn about building search engine optimization-friendly site structures for modern web applications. Website architecture refers to the way a website's content is organized and structured. A well-planned website architecture is crucial for both user experience and search engine optimization. What exactly is in search engine optimization-friendly site architecture? It's a strategic approach to organizing website content that optimizes for both search engines and the user experience. The key elements are an organized hierarchy, employing logical content grouping, clear navigation, providing an easy path to all pages, ensuring accessibility, making content reachable within 3 clicks, and using clean, descriptive uniform resource locators or URLs. Let's understand it better with the help of a diagram. The homepage is the central hub, from which different sections of the website like products, blog, services, and about are linked. The core components of search engine optimization architecture include uniform resource locator structure, content hierarchy, and internal linking. Let's discuss them one by one. First, the uniform resource locator structure. This involves clean and semantic uniform resource locators that reflect the site hierarchy. For example, example.com/category/subcategory/page. It's important to avoid dynamic parameters and unnecessary subdirectories. Second is the content hierarchy. Organize content in a pyramid structure, starting with the homepage at level 1, main categories at level 2, subcategories at level 3, and individual pages at level 4. Finally, strategic internal linking between pages can be achieved through contextual links in content, navigation menus, breadcrumbs, and related content links. Here are some of the uniform resource locator structure best practices to follow. Some good examples of uniform resource locator structures are example.com/blog/SEO-guide, example.com/products/electronics/laptops, and example.com/services/web-design. On the other hand, some bad examples of uniform resource locator structures are example.com/p=sign123?ID=456, example.com/page1/sub_page2/article3, and example.com/blog/post/2024/03/25/my-post. Some other best practices includes using hyphens instead of underscores, keeping uniform resource locators short and descriptive, using lowercase letters only, following a logical hierarchy, avoiding special characters and spaces, and including relevant keywords naturally. A typical site navigation structure starts with a homepage, from which different sections, such as products, services, blog, and about, are linked. The products section can further be divided into categories, such as Category 1 and Category 2. Similarly, the services section can be divided into Service 1 and Service 2, and the blog section can be divided into latest posts and categories. Here's an example of how to implement navigation using code. For primary navigation, use the NAV tag with an unordered list. Each list item should have a role of menu item, with a link to the respective page. For breadcrumb navigation, use the NAV tag with an ordered list, indicating the current page's location within the site hierarchy. Here are some ways of optimizing site structure through strategic internal links. 3 ways of doing this are contextual linking, hub pages, and related content. First, contextual linking involves linking relevant content naturally within your page text to create semantic relationships between pages. Second, hub pages involves creating topic clusters with hub pages, linking to related detailed content pages. Third, related content involves including related articles, or you may also like sections to keep users engaged. For example, within an article, you can link to other relevant pages using the anchor tag. Additionally, you can create a related content section with links to other articles on your website. Here are some sitemap best practices. This is essential for search engine crawling and indexing. Include all important uniform resource locators, update frequency, it can be daily, weekly, or monthly. Have a priority range from 0.0 to 1.0. Submit via Google Search Console. Have a maximum of 50,000 uniform resource locators per sitemap, and keep the file size under 50 megabytes. Here is an example of a sitemap. It starts with the XML version and encoding declaration, followed by the URL set element. Each URL element contains the location, last modification date, change frequency, and priority of the page. Here is in Search Engine Optimization Architecture Checklist. These are the essential elements for optimal site structure. Some key things to check are, under Structure and Uniform Resource Locators, implement clear Uniform Resource Locator hierarchy, use descriptive Uniform Resource Locator slugs, keep Uniform Resource Locators under 100 characters, and maintain consistent Uniform Resource Locator patterns. Under Navigation and Links, create intuitive navigation, implement breadcrumb trails, use descriptive anchor text, and fix broken internal links. For technical elements, submit an extensible markup language sitemap, optimize robots.txt, implement canonical tags, and monitor crawl budget. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.